Hello, friend. Today we will show you how to choose a suitable stereo for your own car. We summary some after-sale question from our customers. Some customers told us the version they paid is not fit for their car. We find the reason. The first one is front panel looks different. In another world is the shape and size of a radio is not fit for your car. So let us teach you first how to find a suitable head unit. Here is a picture about the PQ interface. The first two is PQ interfaces, and the third one is MQB. It would be better that you can confirm the interface of your original interface. If your original interface is PQ, you can choose your RCD360 CarPlay, RCD360 Pro, and RCD360 Pro 2 model. Now for the most 2005 to 2016, even some 2018 model, most cars need this model radio. The size of our radio is 215 mm, 180 mm, 130 mm. You can first measure the size of your original radio first. And if the type of your original radio is RCD 510, RCD 330, RCN 210, RCD 310, RNS 315, RNS 510, our radio should fit. Our RCD 360 models has an ESO power adapter. If you choose this, you need connect that adapter. Otherwise it will also meet a battery leakage. And for this model we have more choice. If you want to use more app, we has some Android system stereo, such as this Android 10, 7 feet screen, and we have another high-end design 7 feet screen Android 11, and bigger 9 feet screen with Android 11 version. Furthermore, if you only choose the stereo by the front panel, maybe the radio is not fit, because for some few models car, the front panel looks same as this PQ platform model, but the interface is MQB. The protocol of the car is MQB, so choose a stereo by interface is more exact, such as some model year, 2015 to 2016, Polo 6C, T5, T6, Betular, and so on. Now for this condition, we have this model can fit for your car. Have a look please. It has the MQB interface, and it can show the car information. Now let us have a look another panel. This model is fit for some old model car, like Golf 4, Passat B5, old Polo Jetta, and so on. This model is common for the model year before 2004. Or this model car can support some basic function, such as Bluetooth, CD, USB, SD. If your original interface like our picture, then it can fit. If you want to have more functions for your car, we have another Android 9 stereo. The shape looks same like RCN 210. We can help you compare, but this model is Android system. You can install more app you like, and you can use the CarPlay and Android Auto. Now for some new model year car, such as after 2015/16, like Golf 7 Passat B8, the head unit is a total MQB protocol. Our video will show you some common MQB head unit. We also summary some pictures from the website. Just want to take a samples and show you what is the MQB stereo like. You can see the MQB interface we show you are this model is IBS screen for MQB model which can support CarPlay. For some models, it need equip a different frame trim. If you are interested in that, send us some pictures of your original radio. We will send you a suitable frame trim. If you really cannot make sure, you could tell us the model and model year of your car. Better show us your original stereo and interface. We will help you check.